Guys, why are we all facing the wall? I don't know. This is weird. Hello, guys. I'm a cardboard plane. What? A cardboard plane? You might look like a Pringles plane. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm a Pringles plane. But what are you Pringles plane doing here? Yeah, I'm actually... Some kid actually decided to get an empty Pringles can and then decided to cut out cardboard. And then he drew an outline for my wings and stuff. And then he glued them on with a glue gun. And then put some stuff inside of me that makes me talk like you. Oh, wow. See, okay, I'm actually able to fly and carry transport cargo. Cargo? Yeah. Whoa. Smells like Pringles in here. Hey, what are you going inside me for? Ow, you hit my face. I'll say this is my face. Just you forgot to get your cap. Oh, can I come too? Oh, you're heavy, guys. Don't you eat a lot? You're overweight, huh? Let's take off. Ah! Ow. Sorry, guys, for falling. You shouldn't have your cover. Dang. Well, wait. I'm hungry and bored. You are? Yeah, I just decided to do this. Wait, what is that? Are those the Godzilla funnel animatronics? It appears that. Huh. I guess I'll go there for entertainment. Okay, I guess we're right here next to them. These are creepy. Look at it. Godzilla. Hey, put the legs down. Look at that thing. Look at Dinosaur's mouth. His lips are wide open. It looks like he's corrupted and wants to eat us. They're not on. Looks like he needs a start button. Hey, excavator. Yeah? Can you start the start button over there? Okay, whatever. Hey, kids! It's me, Godzilla. And today, we are happy to have you here. Oh, look it! We have a new guest. A Pringles airplane. How do you know my name? That's because we can scan anything because we have creatures inside of us, so we can protect you. What? That doesn't make sense. Oh, hello, I'm the Stockholm man, and today we're at the Godzilla's Taco Palace. What are you doing here? This is not Godzilla's Taco Palace. This is Godzilla's Pizza Palace. No, I'm changing it around today. This is Godzilla's Taco Palace. Get the heck out of here! No, get your ass out of here now! No, get your taco ass out of here before I smashed your tacos all over the floor. Oh, Jesus Christ! You know what? You're a crazy man. No, I'm gonna shove some tacos down your throat. Finally, he's gone. Hey, buy some tacos! Get your ass out of here! Ugh. Jesus Christ, what the heck is that?
But yeah, kids, you want us to...
What just happened? Let me see if we can try to start them again. They're not working. Access denied. Access denied. Malfunction. 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 What? It's not working. I don't know what's going on. Oh, maybe they just need some tacos. No, they don't. Oh, I'm gonna feed them the tacos. Oh, they don't need them. Get you out of here. Get your butt out of here. Finally, get your ass out of here. Oh, God. What happened? What the heck is going on with that thing? It's on, but what's going on? What the heck? The thing came out of the animatronic. Get off of my friend. He literally ate dump truck. Help! 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 happened? Huh? Somebody needs my help. Oh,
Get off of him!
get off of me, you crazy shark. What? What are you doing here? I think I appeared to save your life. Wait, dump truck. Dump truck is inside that shark. Gotta get him out of that shark. I gotta get him out of the shark. Oh, I'm so scratchy. Jesus Christ. Well, I guess dump truck is inside the shark. What do I do? Come on, get out of this shark. You got out. Yeah. Okay. Get away from me. What happened? Well, I saved your life because I think I care about people. Hey, okay. Well, guys, I think we'll see you guys later. But where are you going, Pringles plane? I'm gonna go to Paris, France. I want to see how the French people are. I want to go see the Eiffel Tower and eat the French toast. Can I come? Yeah, maybe all of you can come with me. Let's go. I'm gonna go away. Oh, you like my too? Oh, I'm going too. Yeah. Wait for me. Yeet. Huh? Oh, yeah, fine. Hey, don't wait for me. Yeah. Redhead. Huh? Where'd they all go? Oh, they're in the sky. Wait for me. Hello guys, I really hope you liked this video. I actually freed up some space like I promised you. But guys, I actually freed up some space and I actually decided to really make a long video. So if you're happy, you guys. So bye-bye. I know I took a man. Credits. We're not really in Paris.